Baker Installations is an innovative, high-tech business that develops and equips technical capability to build complicated telecommunication infrastructure in today's state-of-the-art society. Baker Installations' strength lies in the exponential growth of technology in America. They provide multiple technology, customized telecommunications guaranteed to meet any need. Cable TV, telephone systems, voice and data lines, local area networks, wide area networks, fiber optics, satellite dish systems, cable modems, all provided by Baker Installation staff of carefully trained and highly skilled technicians who are prepared to assure the demands of ever-changing technology are met. Baker Installation's employees receive professional organization certifications, in-house advanced training, and the continuing education benefit for instruction in ever-advancing new technologies. Many telecommunications opportunities are available with the Baker Installations family. Residential and commercial technicians are needed. Also needed are aerial, underground, and specialty equipment technicians as their company and the need for constantly updated technology increase. Baker offers growth and advancement for the members of their team. Over the years, Baker Installations' commitment and desire to tailor their services have helped many cable companies' capabilities to grow with their industry as well. For quality telecommunications wiring services, there's only one name to know. Call Baker Installations at 1-800-864-4229, or to start off a great new career as a telecommunications technician, be sure to check out Baker Installations on the net at baker-installations.com.